In triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent under the correspondence. ABC is congruent. ABC is congruent to RQP. Then the part of a triangle ABC that correspond to P is what? So, as per the question, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent. So, we need to draw the triangle first. Triangle A, B, C, and another triangle is R, Q, P. R, Q, P. R, Q, P. So, in this RQP, so which one we are going to see? That correspond to angle P is what? So angle P, this is angle P. So that is correspond to here. A is correspondent to R, C is correspondent to P, B is correspondent to Q. So angle P is correspondent to which angle? This angle. Which one is equal? Likewise the similarity only we are seeing it as correspondent. That is triangle ABC and a triangle PQ are congruent under the correspondence ABC, A, B, C. RQP, RQP. Then the part of triangle ABC that correspond to angle ABC, angle P. They are asking that to the part of triangle ABC, which is correspond to angle P is which one? Angle P equal to which one? That is angle C. That is the answer. So angle C is the answer. So now triangle ABC that correspond to angle P is what? Angle C. The next one, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent under the correspondence. ABC is congruent to RQP. Then the part of triangle ABC that correspond to Q. Likewise, the similar problem only we are going to see. Triangle ABC, ABC, triangle PQR, that is RQP. RQP means this is RQP. So now angle Q, they are asking that to the part of the triangle ABC that correspond to angle Q. ABC that correspond to angle Q is what? Angle B. So now what is the answer? Triangle ABC, triangle ABC that correspond to angle Q is what? Angle B is the answer. Angle B is the answer. The next one, triangle ABC and a triangle PQR are congruent under the correspondence. ABC is congruent to RPQ. Then the part of the triangle ABC that correspond to angle PQ is what? So the similarity is ABC, ABC, RPQ, RPQ. So in this triangle ABC, RPQ is RPQ. Angle PQ is congruent to which one? This is angle PQ. Which one? Angle PQ is congruent to BC. Angle PQ, that is they are asking that part of the triangle ABC that correspond to angle PQ. Angle PQ, this is angle. So angle PQ is corresponding to which one? Angle BCB. So triangle ABC that correspond to angle PQ is angle CB. This is the answer. Angle CB is the answer. PQ here CB or BC. The next one. In triangle ABC and PQR are congruent under the correspondence ABC, which is congruent to RPQ. A, B, C, R, P, Q. Then the part of the triangle ABC that correspond to RP. Part of the triangle ABC is correspondent to RP. RP is which one? AB. Triangle ABC that correspondent to angle RP is which one? RP is similar way AB. AB. Then two angles are congruent if they have what? Two angles are congruent. See, two angles are congruent. So what does it refers to? None of this equal measures, same name, unequal measures. So which one? Equally only we are treating. So by that equal measures. Here also we have seen corresponding to PQ is BC. Corresponding to RP is AB. So likewise equal measures. Which of the following is not a congruence criterion? Which of the following is not a congruence criterion? So the congruence of a criterion is what? Triple S. Side, side, side is not a congruence criterion. The next one. In triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR, then AB is equal to what? A, B, C, P, Q, R. So A, B, C, P, Q, R. Which one is equal? For AB, which one is equal? PQ will be equal. So here AB. In this triangle also, which is it is correspondent like this? PQ. So PQ is equal. The next one. In triangle ABC and a triangle PQR, AB equal to 4 cm, BC equal to 6 cm, BC equal to 5 cm, AC equal to 6 cm, PQ equal to 4 cm, QR equal to 5 cm, PR equal to 6 cm. Then which of the following is true? So triangle ABC, triangle PQR, A, B, C, P, Q, R. So AB is how much they have mentioned? 4 cm. BC is how much? 5 cm. AC is 6 cm. PQ is 4 cm. QR is 5 cm. PR is 6 cm. Then which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? See here, ABC is triangle. So now which triangle? Here PQR they have mentioned. So which one is congruent? Here 4 cm is there. So here also 4 cm. Here AC equal to 6 cm. This side standing PR equal to 6 cm. BC equal to 5 cm. QR equal to 5 cm. So now this one is true because triangle ABC, triangle PQR, 4 cm, 6 cm, 4 cm, 6 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm. So that is congruent. This is the thing. Then triangle DEF is congruent to triangle BCA. Then the part of the triangle BCA that corresponds to angle E is what? D, E, F, B, C, A. That is triangle DEF. So triangle DEF congruent to triangle BCA. So BCA. Then the part of triangle BCA that corresponding to angle E is what? Angle E is what? Then the part of the triangle BCA is corresponding to angle E is what? Angle C. So this is the angle C is the answer. Okay, angle C is the answer. The next one. If triangle DEF is congruent to triangle ACB, then the part of ACB, triangle ACB that corresponds to F is what? That is triangle DEF. DEF. Triangle ACB. CB. So that corresponding to angle F is what? Angle F is what? Angle F is equal to angle B. Angle B is the answer. The next one. If triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent under the correspondence to BCA corresponding to angle RPQ. BCA RPQ. BCA RPQ. The triangle corresponding to angle ABC is what? PQ is corresponding to which one? CA. PQ is corresponding to CA. They are asking that BCA is congruent to RPQ. Then the part of triangle ABC that corresponding to PQ is what? AC. AC. Part of the triangle is corresponding to AC.